So for your first drawing, you create the drawing shown here. Drawing contains many views, one, two, three. This is the zoomed one of this one. And the drawings contains center marks and dimension, which is the most important part. So first you need to go and click the option here on the standard bar, the standard toolbar. As I said, this is called a standard toolbar. And on the system option tab, okay, this one, we have two tabs here. This is system options tab. Select drawing and then display style. So under tangent edges, this one, select the remove to hide. I mean, at the beginning you might see that it looks like visible. You need to check removed because you want to hide the transition edges between rounded or filleted faces, and then click OK. So we will go to the system option, drawing, display style, and then in tangent edges box, we choose remove. And OK. Now click file and make drawing from parts because we want to create a drawing from this 3D part. If your SolidWorks, it is your first time you are using the drawing, you need to click the template tab and then select drawing and then OK. And there might be another option such as sheet format size dialog box, and just clear only show standard formats. Here you see at the beginning it's like this. We will clear this one, uncheck this one, and select A landscape, A and C landscape. And again we press OK. And then again you go to options here, option document properties tab, and then detailing. Again we will go to auto insert on view creation. You see this is this box, and we will clear center marks holes part, not center marks holes assembly, center mark holes part. We will uncheck this one and then click OK. Now usually on the right hand side, this one is called view palette. We will click it to display this task pane tab. So we will again clear how to start project view. It's better to always do this and drag the top view into the drawing area. Which one is the top one? This one. If you just drag it, you need to hold the mouse and then release that. So under the display style, we have 5 options here. One of them is, I think, shaded, and the other one is shaded with edges. This one is shaded without edges, and the third one is hidden lines removed. And the second option is hidden lines visible, and the first one is wireframe. So it will select hidden lines removed. Now under scale, use custom scale, and it should be set to 1 to 2, the first one. And we will press the OK or close the dialog from here. Okay, now let us click on this area and we want to move this, but before that, yeah. Okay, now for creating this section, you can go to the drawing tab and then you will click section view here. So the first one is the cutting line, actually is vertical, this one horizontal, and this one is actually auxiliary. So, and the last one is aligned. So we will select the vertical one and we will select the auto start section view. This box should be checked. And we will move the pointer above the center lines here. And we will click to start the section view. Again, we will move the pointer to the right to place the view and click to finish. So here we need to reverse the direction of the section view. So we will click flip direction here. And yes. Again, we will go to the drawing tab and we will, if you want to keep this one, you can just click or pin this command manager. So we will click detail view. And we will move the pointer over the section view and click to place the center of the detail circle, because it will create a circle. So I can click it here, for example, because we want to see the whole things. Okay, now here we'll just move this here and we will click. It's better to save the file here at this stage. And it's better to save all. When you click save all, if prompted to save reference models, it will also save the part. Okay, now from the drawing tab, click the model view, and in the property manager under part assembly, to insert this section, click pressure plates, and then I didn't click any. Let me go back. So when we click here, it will be highlighted in blue, and then we will just click next. So here first we will go to the orientation, and we will choose the isometric, I think, which is this one. Yeah. And then here we will choose the shaded, maybe. Is it the shaded? This is shaded and this is shaded with edges. Okay, it's correct. And under a scale, we'll select 1 to 2, which is correct again. And we will put it here. We'll move it exactly on top. So now you can just click the close dialog. If it is not in the right position, correct location on the drawing sheet, you can drag the view, move the pointer here, and now when you see this sign, you can move it. For example, for these ones, I can move this one. Okay, we will click the close dialog box and go to the annotation tab. And we need to find the center mark, which is this one. It will just insert a center mark on the circular edges. So in the top view, click the outside edge of one of the toolboxes in the pattern, which is, for example, this one. And then we will click this in the graphic area. It will propagate the center marks to all other holes in the pattern, and then again we'll click OK. Remember, it shouldn't be horizontal, okay? Okay, now we want to create the center lines. So you, in the section view, you'll select these two edges, this one and this one. So one center line is created, and again here, and last one, we will repeat for any holes in the section. You have to have 3 center lines. And also we have one hole here. I forgot this one. Yeah, this is the last one. So in total, we should have 4. Okay, we will click OK here, and we will go to the options. And on the standard toolbar, actually, option on the standard toolbar, on the document properties, we select the units. Document properties is this tab. And where is unit? Unit. So in the unit system, we should select MMGS. If it is on this or this, you need to change it to the MMGS, which is millimeter, gram, and second. And then we will click OK and click a smart dimension on the annotation tool tab. And we'll move the pointer to the edge of the outer circle of the ring top view. Okay, here. And we will click we'll move it to place it here, and okay. Now we need to add another 3 diameter dimensions. Again, we will click smart dimension. This will be 15. This will be 27. And the middle one is 25. Now move to the detail view. This is the detail view. And you see the smart dimension is highlighted. So select the left edge of the plate and then select the right side of the plate, and we will move the pointer to place the dimension. And okay, from here we will close the dialog, but then your smart dimension, it should be highlighted again, so you will click again on the smart dimension. This is 7, and for the fillet it should be 2. Now if you want to modify the text of dimensions, select the cylinder boss diameter dimension 27, this one, and in the property manager, this is the property manager as I said, under dimension text, this is dimension text, click in front of mod diam and type 6x. And now the dimension now indicates that there are 6 cylinders of the same size in the drawing. It is also better to have one space here. You see, we have a space here. It's up to you. And then we will repeat the same thing for this ones. So you will go to the dimension text and 6x space. Now select the center hole diameter 25 dimension, and in the property manager under dimension click after DIM this time, okay, and type a space and THRU, it means throw. But as I said, some people don't put any space, but it's better to put a space. It means that these dimensions now indicates a through all cut, because this is completely cut through the whole parts. Yeah, and now we will click the save here. Okay, congratulations, you have completed this tutorial.